Weather is cloudy and there is a definite chance of rain. Small amounts of thunder have been reported around the west area of Dallas, and so an advisory has been issued for the city. Temperatures are hitting an all-time low this month at 14 degrees.
This emergency action notification is being transmitted by Air Government of the United States. As of now, tensions between the USA and Russia are at a breaking point. We advise you construct an inner refuge at the most center, lowest part of your home in case a long-ranged attack occurs. Leaflets containing instructions on how to create an inner refuge are being handed out at every public area, so if required, get a hold of one as soon as you can. The Russian Federation has threatened our nation, claiming that if we have no other choice, we won't hesitate to strike. That is the end of this one broadcast. Emergency alert for the following counties/areas. State of Hawaii at 16:39, April 8, 29. Explosive rockets have been launched from Russian ships in the Pacific heading to all highly populated areas, 10,000 plus citizens of Hawaii. If you are within the vicinity of such an area, you are to shelter in any of these structures, inner refuge, bunker, or the most center and lowest part of your home. The first volley of rockets are expected to strike in 5 minutes, so act quickly but sensibly to protect you and your loved ones. If you panic, that will not help you at all. The estimated amount of destruction each rocket will create will incinerate around 5 to 15 meters of land, and so you should be cautious in case any incoming warheads reach your town/city. At least 300 of these rockets are currently on a route to the state. Emergency services may be offline for the following 24 hours.
It's dangerous. The former chairman of the Joint Chiefs of Staff, Admiral Mike Mullen, said over the weekend that the United States has never been this close as it is now, to nuclear war. Do you agree with him?
This is the final message from your government of the United States. Our country has fallen, with the rest of the world. Nothing can stop what is going to happen, so we advise you gather your family to remember what good things have come out of this nation as the final playing of our anthem airs.